Stop scrolling for a second. Take a deep breath. Because what you're looking at is not a filter, it's not a digital enhancement, it's not a dream. This is the raw, unfiltered truth of the Maldives. It's one of the very few places left on Earth where the water is actually, genuinely, this blue. But have you ever wondered why? It's a perfect recipe created by nature itself. The foundation is powder-fine, pure white sand, a brilliant canvas that reflects sunlight upwards. Then, add the shallow, crystal-clear lagoons that surround each island, acting as a natural filter, absorbing all colors of the light spectrum, except for that vibrant, soul-stirring blue. This is the magic of the atolls, over 1,000 coral islands scattered across the Indian Ocean like jewels on a velvet cloth, each one a tiny sanctuary of impossible color. But here's the thing, to say the Maldives is just about the water is like saying a symphony is just about a single note. The water is the opening chord, the grand invitation. It's about everything this paradise gives you in return for making the journey. It's about the world that thrives just beneath the shimmering surface. Look at this. Ocean so transparent, so utterly clear, you can see the intricate architecture of the coral reefs from above, watching shadows of fish dance on the seabed. Swimming here feels like you've been granted access to another dimension, a silent, weightless world where nature shows off its most brilliant palette. It's a living, breathing ecosystem, a kaleidoscope of life where every color tells a story. Now, imagine waking up to this reality. Not just near it, but completely immersed in it, in an overwater villa suspended between the sky and the sea. The first sound you hear is the gentle lapping of the lagoon against your stilts, a rhythm that instantly calms the soul. The ocean is literally at your doorstep, your own private infinity pool stretching to the horizon. You sip your morning coffee as the sun paints the sky in hues of orange and pink. Then, without a second thought, you dive straight from your deck into the bluest, most welcoming water you've ever seen. This isn't just a vacation. It's the fantasy of island life made real. It's living inside a screensaver where every single view is a masterpiece. Wake up, step out, and the entire ocean is yours to explore. And when you're ready for a thrill, the lagoons transform into your personal playground. Feel the adrenaline as you jet ski across the vast expanse of turquoise, the warm spray on your face discovering hidden sandbanks and deserted islets, or for a different perspective, fly high while parasailing. From up there, the world falls silent. You see the perfect circles of the atolls, the intricate patterns of the reefs, a view that reveals the sheer artistry of this island nation. You can watch playful dolphins arc alongside your boat at sunset, their joy infectious, or for a more meditative pace. Paddle across glassy lagoons, so still it feels like you're floating on air, with the reef life passing beneath you like a private screening. But the true magic lies in meeting the locals. Snorkel with giant manta rays, the ballerinas of the sea, as they glide effortlessly through the water in a mesmerizing dance. And yes, if you're lucky, you might even come face to face with the largest fish in the ocean, the whale shark. To swim alongside these gentle giants, to be humbled by their immense size and peaceful nature, is an experience that changes you. It's a profound reminder of the planet's incredible biodiversity and our duty to protect it. But the soul of the Maldives isn't just found in the ocean, it's found in its people, their radiant smiles, their ancient traditions, their deep connection to the sea. This is a nation of seafarers, with a history shaped by the currents of the Indian Ocean. You can feel this heritage in the gentle rhythm of life on the local islands, a world away from the polished resorts. It's in the warmth of their welcome, an open-hearted hospitality that is woven into the very fabric of island life. And then, there's the food. Maldivian cuisine is a celebration of what the islands provide. Imagine tasting freshly caught tuna, the lifeblood of the nation, cooked with spices that tell stories of ancient trade routes. Start your day with a vibrant mix of smoked tuna, fresh coconut, onion, and chili. Savor the aroma of a rich fish curry or a clear fish broth that is the ultimate comfort food. It's a culture as rich and layered as its reefs, expressed through the beat of the drums, a powerful hypnotic rhythm that echoes the heartbeat of the islands themselves. And after all the adventure, the exploration, and the connection, comes the silence. A profound quiet you may have forgotten exists. There are no traffic jams, no city noise, no chaos, just the whisper of the wind through palm fronds and the gentle sigh of the ocean. Here you can feel time itself begin to slow down, stretching to the rhythm of the tides. Relaxation isn't just an activity on a schedule, it's a state of being, It's finding your balance with sunrise yoga on a deserted sandbank, or surrendering to a spa treatment where fragrant local oils soothe your body while your eyes gaze upon the endless blue. It's a deep restorative peace that seeps into your bones. The Maldives isn't just another destination on a map, it's a definitive, bucket list experience that delivers on every promise. It's a place that fulfills desires you didn't even know you had. Whether you're chasing high-octane adventure, a deep romantic connection, or simply a quiet space to hear your own thoughts again, this is the one trip that will recalibrate your sense of wonder and stay with you forever. The memories made here don't just fade, they become a part of you, a benchmark for beauty that you'll carry long after the tide recedes and your footprints have washed away.